Let's say you have an MQTT broker set up in the cloud, but you want to get your Maple Systems HMI to connect to it. In this video, I'll show you how to configure an EBPro project to communicate with an MQTT broker, and how to attach broker tags to local HMI tags. And finally, I'll show a live demo of everything connecting and communicating seamlessly. Hi, I'm Alex with Maple Systems, and welcome to another Maple Systems video training series. To follow along with this tutorial, you'll need EBPro, which can be downloaded for free from our website, any MQTT broker, which I'll be using a local Mosquito server for this tutorial. You'll need any Maple Systems HMI, which I'll be using a CMT 2078X V2 for this tutorial. And finally, you'll need a network connection that allows your HMI to access your MQTT broker from the internet. So to start, we'll want to set up our MQTT settings in EBPro. So I'll go ahead and create a new EBPro project. Now that I'm in a blank project, I'm going to go to IIoT/energy, open up MQTT, and I'm going to enable MQTT right here. And I'm going to change this IP address to the IP address of a local MQTT broker that I've already set up, which is 192.168.255.84. And this is where you would enter your IP address for your MQTT broker. I also recommend going to the address tag and changing this address. This is going to be a status address for your MQTT connection. I would go ahead and set this to something that is far outside of your project's scope. So for my purposes, that's going to be local word 100, but your mileage may vary. All right, now that we've got all of our MQTT server settings set, we're going to go ahead and create some topics and some tags. So I'm going to go here into the publisher, and I'm going to hit new. Then I'm going to change all of this, change this to machine 1. And I'm going to create a unique identifier for the HMI, HMI_maple test. Then I'm going to create a category of topic, machine 1, and then a subcategory of stats. And this is going to be the topic header. This is going to be sort of preceding every topic tag. And as for those actual topic tags, we're going to go into this address, new. I'm going to name this uptime. I'm going to set it to word, and that's going to be tied to local word 0. What this is going to do is anything that I write to local word 0 locally on my HMI is going to be pushed up to this tag of HMI_maple test /machine 1 /stats /uptime. And that any value that's written to local word 0 is going to be pushed to that tag in the broker. So we're going to go ahead and hit OK. And I'm going to make a new one, another one for product count. It's also going to be a word, and we'll do local word 1. So we've got both uptime and product count. We'll hit OK. And now we have machine 1, a bunch of tags and addresses associated with that. So now that we have a publisher, I'll set up a topic subscriber in much the same way. We'll go to new. I'll go ahead and set the same topic, and I'll go ahead and create a status bit set to local bit 0. And so now this is a subscriber. Anything that I push, anything that the broker pushes to HMI Maple Test Machine 1 Stats status is going to be updated on the HMI. Now that we've configured a project to connect to an MQTT broker, I'm going to go ahead and use our MQTT sample project simply because it's already all set up for me and it's much nicer looking than anything I can throw together. If you'd like to download this sample project, you can find it on the Maple Systems website, either from the integrations page associated with this tutorial, link in the description, or just the general sample products page on the Maple Systems site. I've got my sample project loaded up here onto the HMI. I'm going to reel VNC Viewer into the HMI just so you can see in real time what's happening on the screen without me having to hold the HMI up to the camera every time. Since this is connected to our MQTT broker, I'm going to also bring in MQTT Explorer so that we can spy on the broker from a second client. And boom, we're connected to our broker from MQTT Explorer as well. So I'm going to go ahead and push a product count of 15. There you go. As you can see on the HMI, it updates in real time. And then on the broker here, we have a new tag, which is the published response from the HMI. Now I'm going to use this MQTT Explorer to publish a value to the broker. I've already gone ahead and set up the JSON there for it. Importantly, it's going to be this machine on tag, which, as you know, we set as a subscriber tag on the HMI. So I'm going to go ahead and push this, and then we should see this bit lamp turn on. There you go. And that about does it for today. If you'd like a written version of this tutorial, or for more of our integrations tutorials, please visit our integrations page on maplesystems.com. We'd also really appreciate it if you could leave a like on the video if it helped you out, and subscribe if you'd like to be notified when we make more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.